I hesitate to use cheap Earth fauna analogies. God knows I'm going to start sounding like Nathan Gould if I do. But what we're dealing with here probably answers to the equivalent of an insect hive. The level of alien infestation in these tunnels is likely to be high. Find Reeves and his men. I lost contact when they entered the subway system. But watch yourself, son. I want you out of there in one piece.
Shattered city.
My men. Well, that explains why their comms went down. I had hoped. Well, never mind. Casualties of war, I suppose. We all make sacrifices. See if you can find their scanning gear. Might give us a little advance warning on what we're heading into. Mitchell Reeves. Aside from Tara Strickland, he was the best I had. From the look of the feed I'm getting from you, the spore loop is running near dormant levels.
Destroy the spore conduit. Access the spore silo. Warning. Explosion imminent.
Excellent. Now, we need to get you inside the central structure. Looking at the schematics Reeves and his team managed to transmit, I'd suggest you try to blast loose one of the spoke seals and use the resulting rupture to effect entry. Look for any weakness in the structure. Magnificent, isn't it? Like some vast coral ecology. Can we even doubt that these creatures evolved in an ocean?
Sabotage.
That seems to be working. Good. But you'll need to repeat the procedure with the other spokes. That should bring the whole system up to full pressure. You're having the desired effect, but you have to hurry. Those fools at the Pentagon are getting ready to act.
Tactical options available.
Good. Now let's see what the suit will do. Excellent. Recognition, communication, exchange. The protocols are compatible. More resistance than I expected. You'd better... Would you excuse me, please? Alcatraz, listen to me very carefully. The decision is made. The bombers are in the air. Get out of there. I've dispatched a helicopter to pick you up, but you'll have to move quickly. Get to higher ground. Hurry! The barrier is down. Run, Alcatraz. You've got to get out alive. You and that suit are our only hope.
Alien tissue vector analysis complete. Nanoform profiling complete. Compatibility registration underway. Processing 76%. Locking protocol will be required.
He must be somewhere around here.
If that tracking gizmo Gould gave us actually works.
And if he didn't drown in the wave. Fucking Pentagon. Can you believe that shit?
Can it, Marie? You got food. There! Over there! Hostile! Alcatraz!
It's Chino, man. Remember me? What the hell happened to you? Nice suit, man. That Fifth Avenue? You be shopping without me?
Get to it. We've got to move someplace more secure. We're sitting ducks here.
Yeah, no shit, man.
Assist Delta Company. Reach the extraction point. Tactical options available.
Get yourself some firepower. You're gonna need it. Delta 3. Copy? Give me a sit rep.
Read you, sir. We've got squid incoming from all sides. Gotta get someplace more secure. You find that suit guy?
Yeah, we got him. Just stay put. We're coming to you.
All right, but make it fast. We're outnumbered here.
You heard the man. Let's go. about 6 blocks up that way. They're waiting for us. You go on ahead. We'll reroute and meet you up there. Keep it tight. Push ahead, Alcatraz. We'll hold here.
Tactical options available.
If it's at all possible, son, do you think you could keep my billion-dollar suit out of the line of fire for a while? It'd really be better for all concerned if you reached us in one piece. I'm doing what I can to provide you with cover, but please try to exercise some caution. At the risk of sounding melodramatic, watch the sky.
All units, this is Charlie Command. Rally point is under attack. We need immediate
Copy, Charlie. We are en route. Meantime, our point man is inbound. Call sign, Alcatraz. He'll be with you momentarily.
Delta Company, this is Cyclops 7, approaching the LZ. Stand by for area evac to terminal. Let's make this quick and painless, gentlemen.
Copy, Cyclops 7. Follow our smoke.
Don't shoot! He's on our side!
Hey, suit guy! This way! Let's go! Alright, this is it. Everyone back to the LZ. Let's go! Let's go!
Shit! What is that?
Dropship incoming! Take cover by the bus! Move! Move!
Heavy! Find the cargo ship!
Push ahead to the LZ! Move! Go!
City ducks here! Move! Incoming!
Aye! Incoming!
Son of a bitch! Cyclops 7 is down. Repeat, Cyclops 7 is down!
Charlie, come regroup around me.
Command, this is Chino. We're almost there. Be advised, I'm seeing gunships headed your way.
Roger that, Chino. You heard him. Get ready, people.
Alcatraz, I'm afraid events are currently escalating beyond my control. Your suit is working at the Spore right now, building a biocode bridge between our technology and the Seps. But we must have more time. Go with your fellow Marines, do what you can. I have not abandoned you, Alcatraz.
Dropship incoming!
Hold ground and take these fuckers out. I need this area secure.
Coming from the port!
Over there!
Coming from the port!
Take him out! Eyes up! On the subway tracks!
Alcatraz, hang in there, man. We're on our way.
Front! On the road!
Alcatraz! Gino was right about you. Alcatraz, over here! Punch it, man, let's go!
Alcatraz, hopefully I'm reaching your comrades too with this. I've bounced this signal off your suit to their comms.
Who the fuck is that?
My name is Jacob Hargreave. Now you may or may not be aware that Alcatraz's suit is evolving into a powerful bioweapon against the aliens you face. But in order to complete that process, a stabilizing agent is required. Alcatraz, you must go immediately to the Hargreave Rash building. I'm uploading coordinates now. Take your colleagues with you. You will need their support. Please make haste, all of you. The Ceph will not wait on us. The Hargreave Rash building. But the main entrance is blocked with rubble and the building is in lockdown. Security systems show the parking levels appear to be at least partially unlocked. And from there you should be able to work your way up to ground level. The bio samples are in the research wing on the 11th floor. Elevator and staircase access is currently denied, but you'll be able to access a systems reboot from the security desk in the lobby. You'll need to hurry.
Alcatraz, this way, man. Come on.
Hargreave Rash building's just up this way. Let's take it slow and steady, people.
Infiltrate the Hargreave Rash building. Follow Juno.
Contact!
Son, the building is security sealed. You'll have to blast your way in through the parking garage. The bioprotocol samples are in the research wing on the 11th floor. You'll need to get up there through the lobby.
Use ICV turret to blast open security doors. Engaged. Engaged. Nanovision enabled.
The garage is sealed, Alcatraz. You need to blast your way in.
Upgrade panels with rifles. Protocol. Take the elevator to the lobby.
Hear that? Someone's here. I'll check it out. Hold your position.
Hazel section, what the hell do you think you're doing? This is Jacob Hargreave. I order you to cease fire.
Blow it out your asshole, man. Prophet dies here.
You fools! The suit, you fools! You'll destroy our only hope! Cease fire now!
Contact! Designated primary target!
What are you doing, Lockhart?
I'm doing what the Trinet Board should have done 3 years ago, old man. I'm pulling the plug on your obscene cyborg dreams.
You're throwing away our only hope, Lockhart. You fool. You think you can hide from the future? All right,
We have no
Alcatraz.
choice in this.
The elevators and security gates are
Dog,
all
cut down,
offline.
Hargrave.
You'll need to
Board sides with
reboot
me
the system
this time.
from the main desk.
You're not buying your bullshit anymore. I'm in command here. Now you will stand down.
Rejoin Cheetah at Central Station. Regroup with the moving
Alcatraz, if you can hear me, listen, man, I'm sorry. Can't hold here. Repeat, cannot hold here. I'm pulling the squad back to Central Station. Get there if you can, man. We're gonna need you.
What a goddamn mess. Paris Revolution, now of all times. Those boardroom idiots. All right, Alcatraz, you'd better get out of there. I go now to deal with Lockhart. We will speak in due course.
Thumb your ears! Block it out!
Delta 6, hold your position. We're coming for you.
No effect on target.
Sustain fire! Hose that fucker down! Fall back! Go! Go! Take cover! Ah!
Retreat! Peel back!
This is Delta 6 to base. We need backup now. We have civilians in tow, wounded too. We're engaging fire with some kind of alien armored vehicle. It's using sonic pulse. My men can't. My men are fucking dying here.
Delta 6, this is Echo 10. We are en route to your position. The streets are blocked. It's gonna take some time to get to you.
We don't have time, Echo 10. Get here now, or you're just gonna be counting on fucking corpses.
regroup at the vehicles.
Sweep for survivors. You got 15 minutes, tops. Hey, suit guy, over here. You the guy Chino was talking about? I don't know who or what the you are, but I never seen anything like that. We could sure use you at Central Station right now. Stop standing there with your dicks in your hands. Then we go find out what's making that noise and kick its ass!
This is Colonel Barkley to all Marine fire teams at the primary and secondary perimeters. I want a control fallback to the terminus by stages, regrouping as you go. Our objective is full evac of civilians and wounded, and we will hold this station until it's done. You have at most 1 hour to make your way back here. After that, you're gonna be walking home. Speed is of the essence, gentlemen. We are leaving town.